So we will start off with Poptart's cage. Poptart lives in two 60-quart bins connected, one on top of the other. So I'll show you the top bin first. First, on the mesh, she has just a plastic Living World water bottle attached to the side. Next, what he has is his red and white Woden wheel, and this is the Woden Wheel Junior, and it is 8-inch. Then over here, he just has his food dish. It is a hermit crab food dish, but it's very natural looking because it looks like it's made out of rock. So there's just oxbow pellets and I think there's Carefresh Complete Menu and Vita Smart hamster food. He has a larger bridge. It's similar to the Petco one, but a lot larger. And there's little Poptart. Over here we have I think it's All Living Things play gym, and it has a whole bunch of holes and it's very colorful and punchy. And then what Poptart is in is a little teepee made by, I think it's Critterware. The bedding Poptart currently is on is a off-brand of Carefresh. And then he has his tube, which leads down into the next bin, which I'll show you. In Poptart's second cage, it's very natural, you could say. It only has a couple of things because then mostly he can just spray around, and I also hide food around the cage. So he just has a bendable bridge right in the corner. He has a Petco small tube. There's 3 entrances. Then there is a Petco, I think that's a barbell chew. And then he has a Petco bridge it's very small. It's just like that. And the bedding he's on is the same as the top bins. So next we have Petrie's cage, which she lives in a 100-gallon aquarium. I'll start off with what's in the corner. So Petrie has this strawberry hut. Beside that there is, I think it's the medium-sized Petco bendable bridge. And then she has her white and lavender Woden wheel, and that is the same as Poptart's. It's 8-inch and it's the Woden Wheel Junior. And then underneath is a wooden platform, and there's a little hole there, and she actually sleeps under there. It's really cute. She has her glass Living World water bottle. There is this reptile log. Beside that there is a pink, I think it's a radish chew or something like that. And then over there's a strawberry loofah and wood chew, I think. And then there is her plastic food dish, just has the same food as Poptart, and she also has the same bedding as Poptart. There is a couple of pieces of tissue or toilet paper for her to use as nesting. She has a Wild Harvest Snack Shack log. Then she has just a 3D orange chew. And then in this corner over here there is some hay for her. And then up here there is an oxbow grass type of nest. I'm not sure what type of thing this is supposed to be, but it's kind of like a nest. And then in this corner over here she has just this Living World, I think it's called a Living World tree house. So that is Petrie's cage. And now lastly I'm going to show you Bugs' cage. This is what Bugs lives in. Now he is basically almost a free range bunny, because as soon as I get home from whatever I'm gone doing, whether it be shopping or school, I open this door at the bottom here, which I'll show you how we've made. And then he free roams my entire room, and then he can come in here too. So basically the cage is a CNC cage. These grids here are made, they're used for storage things, but they're great for guinea pig and rabbit cages. So it's just a 3x2, and then at the front here we have to have 2 grids because he can jump over just 1 grid. So here is the whole door system thing. So the door just gets closed like this at night or whenever he needs to go back in the cage. And then these, I guess I could say locks, I've just taken these. These actually came with water bottles. I think they came with the glass water bottles. And basically what I do is I just clip it on there, and I clip both of them on, and it closes the door and you can't open it or anything. And the door is just attached with not zip ties, these are twist ties. Until we can get zip ties, the twist ties will just work fine. To start off in the cage, what Bugs is on for bedding is underneath this fleece blanket. There's like pee pads, and those are like used for humans, so you don't like wet the bed or something. So I just use those for bugs. If he does make an accident around the cage, then those don't get soaked up into the hardwood, because that would not be good. So it just gets soaked up into those, which is good. And then the fleece I use for him, he's really good about it. He does not chew it or anything. I know somebody's chew fleece, so if your rabbit is chewing fleece, then I wouldn't suggest it. But if your rabbit has pays no attention to it, then it's fine. I actually really like it because it's easy to clean up and just wash. Actually, on the outside of the cage, I just wanted to show you, he has this activity tunnel. It's like hanging on here. I just thought that was a good idea. And then we took this bag and we put all the toys in it, so it's like really easy for me to pick and choose what toys I want for him. So I guess I'll start off where Bugs is, where he is currently. He's just eating, he's kind of full of hair right now, but he was eating some Oxbow Timothy pellets in that bluish dish. And then right here is his water dish. He got some hay in it clearly, and I just refilled it. So he already making a mess with it, but he's probably going to drink some. There. But yeah, he has his water dish there. And then over here at the back, I have a Timothy grass mat. I just hung it up so it would like save more room around the cage. And then over there we have a Living World medium dome hut. And there's Bugs' ear. But a lot of people said the dome would be way too small, but he actually loves the dome. He always goes in there and like does a bunny flop and then sleeps. So it's really, really cute. He likes that. Then we have this carrot over there, just a little carrot toy. And then right here we have like a thistle type ball for him. He likes those too. And then he has this really fun carrot patch that I got from bobbysbunnyboutique.com. And then right over here we have his litter box. And there's just like litter in it. It's just the sunseed litter. I think it's like Fresh World bedding, I think it's called, yeah. And then up here we have a hay rack I quickly made. It's just a bent CNC grid, and it has a bunch of like cardboard on the back and on one side so hay doesn't fall out everywhere, because a lot of the hay does fall out, but he still picks it up and eats it. So that is basically it for Bugs' cage tour.